Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to fix floating keyboard on iPad. So if you have mistakenly opened the floating keyboard and want to just merge them, how can you do that? So if you want to do it guys, but before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. There are two ways to do it guys. First of all, you can completely disable the splitting feature on your iPad, and before that you can merge them directly from your keyboard. You just need to hold this keyboard icon over here, hold this, and here you will see these three options here. First is merge, dock and merge, and third is floating. So you can choose merge or dock merge, and as you can see that your keyboard will be fixed and will be merged completely. And if you guys choose again, let me choose again split, and if you choose only merge, it only merge, or basically there is no much that difference. So if you can also guys choose the floating keyboard from here, so you can float your keyboard from directly from here. So yeah, that's it guys, hope you like this guide. And but if you want to completely disable this splitting feature, you can go to general of your setting in on your iPad and just disable this option in split keyboard. So this will guys make sure that you won't face this issue anymore. So if you don't want the split keyboard anymore on your iPad, then you can use this feature. You can use or set this setting on iPad. Hope you like it. If you like this guide, please subscribe to our channel. Till then.